Welcome to this module, where we'll explore how core natural language processing (NLP) capabilities are implemented and used in Azure AI services. These powerful tools are designed to help you analyze and process human language at scale. The Azure AI Language Service. The Azure AI Language Service is a powerful unified platform for understanding and analyzing text. Let's look at some of its key capabilities. Language detection. This feature automatically identifies the language of text, returning the language name, example English, its ISO code, EN, and a confidence score. This is especially useful for a business that receives reviews in multiple languages. Sentiment analysis. The service uses a pre-built machine learning model to evaluate text and return sentiment scores. For example, a review of a courteous staff would receive a high positive score, while a complaint about slow service would get a high negative score. Key phrase extraction. This capability identifies the main points in a document, helping you quickly summarize a large number of reviews without reading each one. Entity recognition and linking. The service can identify and extract entities, items of a particular type, like people, locations, or organizations. For example, it could recognize Paris in a review. It can also provide entity linking, which disambiguates entities by linking them to a specific reference, such as a Wikipedia article. The Azure AI Language Service also includes features for conversational AI, which enables a natural dialogue between humans and AI. Question answering. This feature allows you to create a knowledge base of question and answer pairs that can be queried with natural language, a capability commonly used for building bots that respond to customer queries. Conversational language understanding. This allows you to build models that interpret the intent of a phrase and extract important information from it. For example, understanding a voice command like, "Turn the light off." Azure AI Translator. While the Azure AI Language Service focuses on analysis, the Azure AI Translator service is used for machine translation. Unlike early literal translation attempts, this service uses sophisticated AI to understand the semantic context of language, ensuring more accurate and natural translations. The service provides 3 core capabilities. Text translation provides quick, real-time translation of text. Document translation translates entire documents in batch while preserving their original formatting and structure. Custom translation allows you to build your own specialized neural machine translation systems for your specific needs, such as for a particular industry or company. Azure AI Language and Azure AI Translator are language-specific building blocks, like sentiment analysis and translation, that you can incorporate into your applications. You can access and utilize these services within the larger Azure AI ecosystem, primarily through the user-friendly Azure AI Foundry portal or by using a Software Development Kit (SDK) or REST API. To use Azure AI Language or Azure AI Translator, you first need to create a resource in Azure, choosing from these types. Single service, language, or translator. Choose a dedicated language or translator resource if you only need that specific service or if you want to manage its access and billing separately. Multi-service Azure AI Services. Choose an Azure AI Services resource if you plan to use language or translator along with other Azure AI tools, allowing you to manage all of them with unified access and billing. To use specific services like Azure AI Language or Azure AI Translator, you must first create a project within Azure AI Foundry. This step is crucial, as creating a project automatically provisions the necessary Azure AI Services resource for you. These projects are essential for organization. They act as containers for your work, including datasets and models, which significantly helps in managing your resources and facilitating team collaboration. Finally, the Azure AI Foundry portal provides playground settings like the language and translator playgrounds, where you can easily test and try out the service features before integration. In short, Azure AI Foundry is your central workspace for building and managing AI solutions, with projects organizing your resources and playgrounds allowing you to test the AI services. To recap, the Azure module on natural language processing, NLP, focuses on the Azure AI Language Service and the Azure AI Translator, the two main building blocks for processing and understanding human language at scale. The language service provides powerful text analysis features like language detection, sentiment analysis, key phrase extraction, and entity recognition, alongside tools for conversational AI such as question answering and conversational language understanding, CLU. The Azure AI Translator complements this by offering sophisticated machine translation, including real-time text, batch document, and custom translations. To deploy these services, users first create a single or multi-service Azure resource and then utilize the Azure AI Foundry portal, where creating a project provisions the necessary resources and provides an organized workspace with playgrounds for testing the services before integration. Next, we will explore another core pillar of AI, speech.